What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chef K, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make cast iron skillet cornbread. So let's get right into the video. I'm just going to stick my cast iron in the oven on 375 degrees. I'm going to let this heat up probably for about like 10 minutes while I go ahead and make this batter. That way when we pour the batter into the cast iron skillet, it's already like warm, so it'll start like getting crispy on the edges or whatever. So it's going to be really good. Anyway, let's make the cornbread now. I'm going to go in with my eggs first. Mother. Yo, I'm always doing something dumb when I start filming. I don't know what the hell. Okay. I'm gonna go in with 2 eggs first. And then I'm gonna add in my granulated sugar. And whisk that together. Nothing too crazy, so we could just like stop right there. Then I'm gonna go in with my buttermilk. So my melted butter that I have here, just gonna add that right in.
I'm editing right now, but I also added in some olive oil.
Just mix that. So pretty much I just did like all the wet ingredients, and then now I'm gonna do the dry ingredients. So I'm gonna add in some cornmeal. Also add in my flour. Now if you never made cornbread, it's dumb easy. Seriously, because I'm about to be finished like right now. Then I'm gonna add in my baking powder and then some pink salt. You can use regular kosher salt, but I always just keep pink salt in my house, so that's what I'm gonna add in. Okay, I thought it was hard. Just mix that together. But like, don't over mix it though. Try not to. Anyway, you want to get it to like this consistency. I just mixed it together, so I didn't like over mix it. So let it get like that. And now we're just gonna let it sit while that cast iron is in the oven heating up. So BRB. I got my pan out of the oven. It's mad hot right now. I'm just gonna put a little butter in the pan. Like so, it's not like a measurement. You see how the joint is sizzling? And it's mad hot too. What the heck? Ooh, this is dumb hot. All right, I'm gonna put it on the sides too. Just pour the batter into the pan. Now we're just gonna put this in the oven and bake it. So BRB.
I just took the cornbread out the oven and this is what it's looking like. And now I'm just gonna brush it with some honey and butter. And it's like OD soft, like, yeah. I'm so ready.
Yeah, I got some melted butter here. I'm just gonna add some honey. I'm using the raw honey. And the trick, if you want to get this out easier, just put some olive oil on it and it'll come right out. I don't know why I didn't do that just now, but it's whatever now. All right, so now I'm going to just brush that on there. Time to try the cornbread. I like let it cool down a little bit, but it's still type hot. So let's go. I can't even fucking chew. What I need right now is some collard greens. I personally like my cornbread super sweet. I don't know. But yeah, this is fire. Anyway, I'm gonna finish eating this, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.